Have you ever wondered how you would find clean drinking water without a map, a compass, or even knowing where the nearest river was? For ancient humans, this wasn't a survival game. It was everyday life. Thousands of years before cities, wells, and water bottles existed, finding fresh water meant the difference between life and death. Yet somehow, our ancestors managed to survive across forests, deserts, mountains, and open plains for tens of thousands of years. So how did they do it? The first secret was observation. Ancient humans paid incredibly close attention to the natural world because their lives depended on it. Instead of looking for roads or signs, they watched the landscape itself. Valleys often collected rainwater, while green patches of vegetation usually hinted that water was hidden nearby. Even when no stream could be seen, certain plants could reveal that moisture lay just beneath the ground. Animals were another important clue. Birds flying at dawn or dusk often traveled between their nests and water sources. Herds of deer, elephants, or other large animals followed regular paths that frequently ended at rivers, lakes, or natural springs. Ancient hunters carefully memorized these routes, knowing that where animals drank, humans could often drink too. However, they also stayed alert because dangerous predators were usually attracted to the same places. The weather also offered valuable hints. After heavy rain, small pools formed in rock depressions, tree holes, and caves. Skilled gatherers learned which places stayed wet the longest. In dry regions, they searched shaded areas where water evaporated more slowly. Some groups even dug into damp sand along dry riverbeds, allowing underground water to slowly seep into the hole before collecting it. Experience passed from one generation to the next became just as valuable as any modern map. Parents taught children where reliable springs appeared each season, which rivers stayed clean, and which ponds should be avoided because stagnant water could make people sick. Over countless generations, this knowledge became part of their survival culture, remembered through stories, repeated journeys, and careful observation rather than written instructions. Not every source of water was safe, though. Ancient humans learned through experience that clear, flowing water was usually safer than still, muddy pools. Perhaps the greatest tool ancient humans possessed wasn't strength or speed, it was patience and attention. They noticed tiny details that most of us walk past every day: the direction birds flew, the color of the soil, the sound of running water hidden behind rocks, or the way certain plants gathered in one small area. Their survival depended on reading nature like a living map. Today, we simply turn a faucet and clean water appears within seconds. But for most of human history, every sip was earned through knowledge, observation, memory, and experience. The remarkable truth is that long before satellites, GPS, or technology existed, ancient humans mastered one of the most important survival skills ever developed: finding life's most precious resource by understanding the world around them.